Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet me Rekan Sori Mubarak, a second semester student at Bina Sarana Informatika Tasikmalaya University with student ID number 192406887 will deliver material on computer and hardware. A computer is a device that works under the control of a storage program that automatically receives, stores, and processes data to product information that is the result of the processing. The computer was originally designed in the 19th century by an English mathematician, Carlos Babbage, who was born on the 25th day of December 1792 in London. Computers were originally intended for counting machines or cooling wage, which were analytical machines of their time that used steam power as a propulsion. At first, this computer could only add, subtract, multiply, and divide. But at that time, what appeared was not digital or analog forms, but print paper on speedgraph. Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram is known. Computer undergo various changes. Namely, first generation originated from the 1945 to 1959, which was used for military and academic purposes, used to calculate linear equations and decode secret. This computer has a very large size with a weight of approximately 30 tons, with a layer of vacuum tube for data storage. In the second generation, starting from 1959 to 1965, where computer had an improvement where vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors, and in this generation computer already know programming language and operating system. In the third generation, starting from 1965 to 1970, in this generation, many computers have energy where transistors are replaced by integrated circuit. In this generation, computers were also used for NASA Apollo program mission to the moon. In the fourth generation, around to 1970 until now, where microprocessors have been invented as the main component and followed by laptop or other device development. In the fifth generation, for now to the future, where computer focus on artificial intelligence, where previously the work was done by human, now robot can be used. There are three main components in a computer, namely hardware, software, brainware. Hardware is the physical part of a computer, including the digital circuit inside the computer. That's why hardware is often also referred to as the physical component of the computer that can be seen and touched. Software is software that is physical intangible. Software is the element that give the hardware a brain, allowing the computer to execute commands and perform various functions such as data processing, running application, and more. Brainware is term for humans who are involved in operating or using and regulating system in computer device. The component that we will discuss today are hardware. Hardware is a physical component that is visible, tangible, and has a shape that distinguishes the data that operating and the data that is in it. In the context of modern technological device, hardware is often integrated with software. Hardware also consists of several types, namely input device, process device, output device, and storage device. Input device is hardware that is used to enter user command in the form of text, image, sound, or click the process in the processing device to display by the viewer or output device. Process device are components in a computer that function to process data and then send into output device after the data is finished in the process. Output device is a computer hardware that function to display output as a result of the data processing. Storage device is a storage device that has the function of storing various types of data from a processing result on a computer device. The example that include input device or keyboard is input tools in the form of a keyboard that contain letter, number, and other special key. Mouse is a small device resembling a mouse that can be used with one hand. Joystick is a tool that can move a particular image or cursor on the monitor screen. Scanner is a tool used to quickly and easily insert image, graphic, and text into a computer memory. Barcode reader is a pattern of black and white strip commonly found on items sold in convenience store. Light pen is a computer input device used to select object or draw on a CRT screen. And the second example of a process that device. CPU or Central Processing Unit is the most vital component in a computer. The CPU is a processing device that functions to do everything related to data processing. GPU or Graphic Processing Unit is a process device that has the main task of processing graphic data or image data by performing mathematical calculation. Processor is component that function as a data processor entering the computer. This component is also referred to as the brain. Motherboard. The function of the motherboard in a computer system is as a control center to regulate the work of the component connected to the motherboard. The third in an example of the output device, namely monitor. This device function to display data in the form of text, image, and videos. Printer is a piece of hardware that function to take electronic data stored in a computer or other device and produce a copy of that data. Projector is a device used to take picture produced by computer of Blu-ray player. Headphones are devices that produce sound to listen to audio prepared after being connected to the speaker. The speaker is a device that is connected to a computer and function as a sound producer. The fourth is an example of a storage device. Hard disk is a storage device that functions to store and retrieve data using magnetic store. A CD is a storage device that contains track and sector on its surface that function to store data. USB flash drive is a smaller, flexible storage device to take anywhere. SSD are mass storage device such as hard disk. This storage device requires less power than a hard disk. Memory card is a portable digital data storage device often used in electronic devices such as camera, mobile phone, and computer. For computer hardware development, there are three innovations, namely, the first, quantum computing that can solve complex problems such as chemical, molecular, simulation, encryption, and optimization that classical computer can solve in the reasonable amount of time. The second is nanotechnology that allows the manufacture of computer components at the atomic and molecular scales. The third is AI hardware. AI hardware is specialist hardware designed to speed up the computational process required by AI, such as neural network training and inference. From the above material, it can be concluded first, a computer is an electronic device that processes data with the help of hardware, computer, and brainware. Hardware includes physical components such as input, process, output, and storage. Since the invention of the NEH, computers have evolved rapidly from large and slow to small, fast, and intelligent. The development of computer technology continues toward artificial intelligence and modern computing, which make human life even easier. That's all I can say. The rest, I apologize for the shortcoming. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.